Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I just wanted to tell a quick short story that I think really helps refresh our perspective on merch by Amazon, what kind of a long-term print-on-demand business it really is. And also, this applies beyond just merch by Amazon. It really applies to any automated passive income business that you can create. And every time you create a new one, I call it planting seeds. And as we show up day to day or whatever it is, week to week, with whatever frequency we can to continue to scale and grow them, it's like we're watering the seeds and helping these plants grow. So in this video, I finally made it over to my parents' house and remembered to check my mom's Merch by Amazon account because she had texted me a picture, I don't know, was it like a month ago maybe? She's like, man, look at this deposit into my account. And I was like, whoa, I need to check like what has been selling in your account. Now, I'm not going to blow anybody's minds here with these numbers, but while I was over there, I took pictures of her laptop screen. So you guys don't have to take me at my word. You can just see that she did quite well over the last 6 months and made $475.20. Now, that's not making anybody rich, but here's the thing. She didn't upload any products to her account in like the last year plus, probably. All right. So this is like basically a dead Merch by Amazon account. Nothing about this account is special. This is about the least work and the least effort you can put in. Now, she's 1 degree removed from me. And of course, like I was the one that told her about merch, that got her started. I mean, I uploaded all of her products in tier 10. I've told the story before on this channel how when she was in tier 10, I ended up like doing a cross niche of Halloween plus something that was trending at the time. This was years ago. And she ended up making like, I think 80 or almost 90 sales of one specific t-shirt. By the way, I had uploaded the same exact design to my account. And I think I made like maybe maximum 20 sales. So she crushed me selling the exact same design because for whatever reason, like the one that we uploaded to her account performed better. Or maybe it's some secret Merch by Amazon algorithm that like wanted to help out a low tier 10 seller. I don't know, right? We can all come up with theories about it, but unless we're a developer at Amazon, we don't really know. But anyways, like a dead account, this is basically a dead account, is doing, 25 sales a month, 54 sales a month, 5 sales a month in January. April of 2022, 20 sales. February, 5 sales again. So January, February were slow after a pretty big December. And then, what was it? Did I get these backwards actually? Yeah, so May was 25 sales. December of 21 was 26 sales, but $96 in royalties. They also automatically converted some of her listings over to the international markets, and she had so far 3 international sales, which again, like we're not even doing anything. Like she's hardly even logging in, and they're taking her US market listings and moving them to international markets, making them available for sale. When they sell, they do all the fulfillment, they do customer service. We sit back and don't even, like, unless we're checking our bank account for these deposits, we don't even know that this is going on behind the scenes. So it's not just Merch by Amazon, it's any business you start. Keep a good long-term perspective, even if one day you call it quits, kind of like my mom has. I'm not logging into any of her accounts from, my house because the last thing I want is like any weird issue where maybe the merch team thinks we're like sharing accounts or anything like that. So she has her account, I have mine. Do I help her with some designs and whatnot? Yes, of course. I've shown her the upload process and all that good stuff. But this has her excited and ready to get back in there after, I sat down and I was like, hey, look at your analytics. You're not doing too bad. So, and I need to get her Pretty Merch Pro Plus, by the way, because this is the ugly standard dashboard. It would have been nice to be able to use the analytics tab, and I'm going to hook her up next time I go over there. But guys, I'm excited about Merch by Amazon. I'm excited about passive income in general. No, merch isn't dead. Passive income online is not dead. Even if you can't get into Merch by Amazon, like you can still do really well selling print on demand on Etsy, on Amazon. I'm starting that new Etsy shop that I'm super excited for. My Amazon Seller Central sales, I post my Printful to Amazon Seller Central sales every day on my Instagram story, along with my merch sales, along with my FBA sales. So you can follow me on Instagram if you want to see those every single day, guys. But hopefully it's just providing a little bit of insights and inspiration into what's possible. I'm not the apex of what's possible, by the way, because as you can imagine, it takes time to do the YouTube channel and, provide assistance and guidance to all the students in my online courses and whatnot. So I'm spread pretty thin, but I'm still able to push this stuff along using the various tools that I talk about on this channel, and always looking to like streamline and refine and improve the processes that I use the automated processes for the most part that I use for my print-on-demand businesses. And I'm excited for what's to come, guys. But anyways, I managed to make this video longer than I expected to. I hope that you enjoyed this video, though, and got to see that, hey, $500 later, zero effort. We're still doing pretty good on my mom's Merch by Amazon account. And you know what? Maybe I need to text my dad, tell him to open an account as well, because we know we can push it further than $500 in 6 months. You guys, just as well as I do, we can do a lot better than that. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.